So I run a company called IXFocus, which is an app development company more specifically focused around interactive technologies and user experience. What we really do is to try and bridge the gap between businesses and their customers by humanizing technology. So that could be, a mobile app, a kiosk application, or anything that's related to a user experience. As a business owner, you're so busy in your day-to-day affairs, running your business, and you lose track of the big picture. And like any athlete, you need to really be held accountable for what you're doing. And I think a business coach can really bring a lot of value by, helping you drive your actions and your activities towards your goals. So one of the big things that I was actually looking to get out of it was to manage my time better. Not even manage, create time. And I think that's something that I've been able to achieve through this entire process because there's more systems. I know exactly what to do, prioritize my time, focus on the things that really matter and move the needle for my business. Right now, I feel that I'm more on the business rather than in the business. And that's definitely something that I wanted to achieve. Moreover, I think the team's productivity has actually increased a lot. So it's more system oriented. We know exactly how to get the best out of the entire team. And everyone's driven towards the same vision and not a disoriented structure anymore. I'd recommend Murtaza any day. Having worked with him for more than 4 months now, I can immediately see the benefits happening in my business. And I think any business owner requires a coach to hold him accountable because he's going to hold the entire team and the crew accountable as well. And I think that's a very, very important thing in any business. So personally for me, I think it's all about learning. I think I've been able to focus my time on improving not just the business but myself as a business owner. But I think the biggest benefit has been to be able to see where the company is actually headed and not just work on day-to-day things. So we might be able to hit our goals for the next 5 years, within the next 2 years. I think it's quite unique, and plus every business has to find out what works for them. But the approach where it's not a one solution fits all, very consultative approach where you understand the business and the business is being asked the right questions is the right approach that Action Coach is taking.